Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to get a little bit off of the beaten path here from affiliate marketing and those types of things, and I'm speaking to people who may not be interested in affiliate marketing or building business online or anything, but yet they still want to be able to make money online from anywhere in the world and do it for 100% free. Well, if that's you and you're just interested in making about $80,000 or more possibly per year, then you want to stick around and watch this video, because I've got two places that I'm going to show you that you can get involved with and make $80,000 or more per year. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started on this. If this is you, let's go ahead and get started on it, and we're just going to get right into it right now. And the first site we're going to come to here, guys, is this site right here. Look here, it's called Launch Potato. You see it right there. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's launchpotato.com, and that's kind of a funny name for a company, isn't it? And this is literally their front page right here, and that's all there is to it. There isn't anything else. And but if we come over here to the About section right here, guys, and we click on this right here, and it says About Us here, the Discovery and Conversion Company. It says Launch Potato is a digital media company that owns and operates a portfolio of brands and technologies. And it says our digital brands help customers discover new products and services that make their lives better. And then down here it says that they are based, Launch Potato is headquartered or based in Delray Beach, Florida, in the USA. It talks about we have a unique international team, so you see right here that it's available from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're at. You can be a part of this company right here and working for this company. Now this company, this will be a full-time employment, and the benefits are out of this world, which I will show you. It says Launch Potato believes in building teams that can solve complex problems using smart marketing, excellent engineering, data science, and fun. And it says we're always looking for like-minded teammates and partners. So what you want to do then is, after that, we'll come over here. I'm going to click on Careers right up here, guys. And if we click on Careers, that loads up this page. And right off the bat, you can see that according to Glassdoor, they got a 5.0 star rating. There's a lot of people that like working for this company right here. And it says, talks a little bit more about it. They even got a little video here about it. It says they are hiring and they want you to join their team. Down, we'll scroll on down here. And I'm not going to read all of this stuff here, but I did want to get into some of the perks right here, guys. And look at these perks that are offered to you here. This is pretty amazing stuff. They got flexible vacation policy, flexible schedules, so you can pretty much set your own schedule and work how you want to work each week. 401k with company match, free life insurance, subsidized medical and free dental insurance, and also profit sharing and give back to the community. They also help charities. And they got 2 annual retreats with the global team at different places around the world every year that you can go and hang out and have a whole bunch of fun. It looks like it says right here, energetic and fun culture. Work out when it works for you. And also they have shiny, you're going to get even a brand new laptop computer, guys, when you join this company here. Shiny new laptop with some LP swag. And then you get training and personal development. They'll even help you become better and better at what you do. And you get a standing desk with unlimited monitors that you can put on it. And the downtown headquarters, now this is if you're working in Delray Beach, Florida, with free snacks and drinks. And it's 2 minutes from the beach, guys. So you can see that the perks of working for this company is really something there. So as we come down here, and we'll read through some of this stuff. I'm not going to read through all of it here, but you can look at it on your own. But I wanted to show you some other things here. They've got some recent awards here by Inc. 5000, Best Companies for Remote Workers, 22 Inc. Best Workplaces. I mean, you can see they've got lots of really great rewards here. So it's like that matches with their Glassdoor 5.0 rating, where people really love this company, guys. And it says down here, it comes down, it shows open positions. So if we scroll down, you can see they have content, engineering, finance, messaging, performance, product, sales, talent recruiters and talent stuff. and user acquisition and so on. So they have lots of openings, and you can see that the most of these are remote work. That means you can work from home, or you can work on the beach if you want to, as long as you have internet access, right? And some of these are located in Delray Beach, Florida at their headquarters. So, but what you want to do is you want to come up here and take a look at this one right here. It's called the Digital PR Associate, and it's international. Anybody from anywhere in the world can do this and work remotely right from your home or wherever you want to work from. So if we click on that, it brings us over here and it talks a little bit about it and so on and so forth. It talks about your role. It says you'll work with talented marketers and content creators to grow brand awareness and build high-quality links to Finance Buzz. I'm not sure what that is. That's financebuzz.com. And then a Launch Potato, it's a Launch Potato company. It's one of their subsidiaries. And it says you'll be responsible for building and maintaining relationships with relevant publishers, journalists, bloggers, and industry experts and obtaining placements with them. You'll also stay on top of trends and help ideate data-driven stories and studies and tools that both our readers and partners will be excited to share. And it says that success looks like this. You're going to improve SEO rankings and increase brand awareness through outreach and digital PR practices. PR just means public relations, okay? Pitch and place content with top-tier publications, build outreach email lists for outreach campaigns, and work with content team to ideate and execute interesting shareable stories and data studies, and research and test new public relations and link building tactics, track and report the progress on it. And then here's the tools that you need to succeed is about 1+ years of experience in digital marketing or SEO. So if you have any experience in like affiliate marketing, maybe a couple of years of affiliate marketing or any kind of online work, then you qualify already for that right there because you already understand about SEO and that kind of thing. So then strong attention to detail and the ability to work independently, a deep passion for networking and all things internet, and says you're highly successful in connecting with people digitally. It's a clear understanding of how search engine optimization works, curiosity about different verticals and the ability to take interest in new subject matters, strong written and persuasive communication skills, and familiarity with the tools like Muckrack, Ahrefs, and Google Docs, and a strong editorial sensibility. You've got a feel for what will get an editor's attention. And then it goes on down here, and you see the application. There's a little bit more about it. They don't discriminate or anything like that, guys. And then here's the application. You just fill out the application here. Put your resume in. That's required. Cover letter is not required. Everywhere you see the red stars or asterisk, that's a required area there. Come on down. Just fill out the application here, guys. And then just scroll down all the way here at the bottom. And then you can just submit the application and stuff right there. And then they will get in touch with you. And then you'll work with them and see if you're qualified to work and do this job. So how much does a digital PR make? Well, let's come over here. If you look right here, I came to Glassdoor and I typed in how much does digital PR associate make? And it says right here, I set the years of experience. Now, I could have chose any one of these, but I set it from 0 to 1 year experience, guys. Look at this, $81,678 per year, guys. That is with the base pay and their additional pay with the perks and stuff. You'll make about $81,000, almost $82,000 per year, guys. That comes out to, without bringing my calculator out, that's about $1,500, or it's over $1,500 per week, guys, that you can make with this company right here. All right, that's company number one. All righty, so you want to come over to launchpotato.com and click on careers, go to digital associate or PR associate, and fill out the application for that. By the way, here, if this is your first time here to my videos, guys, and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, anytime during the video here that you feel like it, reach down there below your video and click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, all right? All right, and then anytime during the video you're getting some value out of this, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm for my channel as well. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Now let's get back here. We're going to come back to the company number 2 here. It's called MIMO. Let's see if we come over here And if we look up here in the address bar, it's getmimo or Mimo, I'm not quite sure how they pronounce it, but getmimo.com there, guys. This site right here, what they do is they do a little bit of learning code. If you're interested in learning programming, you can get paid to learn this programming, and they'll even teach you, and you earn as you learn to get better and better with computer programming. This is right here, learning to code can be easy and fun. You can even do it on your cell phone as well, it says here. They've got a 5-star rating there from one of their people right here. It says to learn to code on the go. On down through here, it just talks about real world projects and so on and so forth. And you even land a web developer job in 6 months after starting with them. And it talks a little bit more, some of the other, the TechCrunch, New York Times, and all the other, some of these big posts and stuff are talking about how people really like working for Mimo here, guys. So what you want to do is come down here to the very bottom of that, and you want to click on jobs right there, and you click on that, and that comes over here, and right off the bat you get to see the perks and benefits of working for this company right here. It says we're proud of our great work and life balance, and with flexible hours and 25 days of vacation. That's about a full month's vacation right off the bat as soon as you get hired. Paid vacation, guys. Work from anywhere. We have a remote first mentality and give everyone a home office budget. That's right, with this company you're going to get an office budget for your own home that you can use, like if you need papers and pencils and whatever tools you may need to help you in your job, you can use your budget from the company to take care of that and buy those things. Maybe it's a microphone, maybe it's a webcam, maybe it's something like that for your computer. You're going to get a budget to be able to pay for that stuff for you. And to get technology, we get the latest technology of our choice. And a growth budget, we get a $680 per year learning budget for courses, books, and conferences. And team retreats and activities. We sponsor team retreats throughout Europe and remote-friendly activities. And you even a relocation package. If you wanted to relocate somewhere, they'll even do that as well. And you can see down through here they have a few positions available here, guys, right there: admissions manager, product manager, marketing designer, curriculum owner, and unsolicited application here. But what we're going to be interested in is this one right here, admissions manager, guys. And so if we click on that, that opens up this page right here, guys. And it comes down here and tells a little bit about it here. It says, at Mimo, we believe that coding can open doors to careers and opportunities like few other skills. And that's why we rallied around the common goal of making coding universally acceptable. And then it talks about here about what you'll be doing. It says you'll lead and improve the admission process for our cohort-based program from start to enrollment, guaranteeing high conversion rate through a stellar student experience. And then there's a few other things about it down here. Requirements: you enjoy engaging with people, you're an avid learner, you're a doer and not a dreamer, you're a strong communicator, you like to optimize, and you're a remote work advocate. Yeah, that you can work from anywhere in the world, again, guys, wherever you have internet access. And then it talks a little bit about how they work, and it talks about their global perks and benefits right here. It says we have a remote first mentality and give everyone a home office budget, 25 days of paid vacation. And then also we sponsor retreats. And to further develop yourself, you get a $720 personal growth budget for books and conferences, courses, or anything else that supports your personal development. Look right here, guys, your annual salary range from $54,000 to $63,000. And if you're going to be under like an independent contractor, it's going to go up from $69,000 to $80,000 per year. And look at this right here. Your salary will increase by 5% every year, no questions asked. That's a 5% increase every single year on top of whatever you're paying. If you're $63,000 or $80,000, that's another 5% every year right on top of that. So you can make some well over hundreds of thousands of dollars working for this company right here. It says a chance to build a world-class product, positively impact millions of aspiring developers, and be a virtual owner of the company with equity in what they call their phantom stock. So you even get a stock portfolio to work with this company too, guys. And then it's just a matter of coming down here and you just click on apply for the job, and it says here on MIMO app, we've made it easy and fun for more than 15 million beginners to start coding on the go and build up their confidence and pursue a career in technology. And you just click right here to apply for the job, and you just simply fill out the form right here, guys, this application, and then send that in to them, and then they will get back in touch with you, and they'll work with you to get you hired at MIMO, and you can begin making about $1,500 or better per week right from the comfort of wherever you want to work from. Alrighty, guys. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like that video, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell. If you have any comments about this video, just leave them down below in the section below there, and I'll get back with you on that. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, and you're interested in affiliate marketing somewhat, you want to reach down there below the video in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and click on that and come over and watch my free video presentation that will show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands of dollars per day. It's a possibility. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here a little bit later on the next exciting money-making video. Watch those videos up above there. You see them popping up. Those are other ways that will help you make money as well. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.